So Steve, another one of your patients who has decided to document his journey and his progress is the musician David DiMuzio, who has done an excellent job documenting the 3 strip procedures that he had, 2 with a doctor he used to work with and 1 with Dr. Dana McGrath as well. And although David's more of an entertainer and musician, through his YouTube channel, I've kind of done a more straight line approach with a blog and a YouTube supplement. For anyone who else is looking to document their progress, what would you recommend for them?
Well, Lance, let me start off by saying that, although I'm getting much better and, I've really learned how to use my iPhone and my Mac, I'm probably not the sharpest IT tool in the shed, but I'm trying to overcome that. But yes, patients out there that are looking to become part of this in regards to helping us spread the love, so to say, and document their progress, whether it be with us and our help, or they find a doctor who they have a phenomenal result with. My suggestion to them is to, of course, shoot everything on video. That's what it's all about.
Yeah.
Create your YouTube channel, create your own website. You've done a great job with my Follicular journey, your blog, and you never know. I mean, this is an industry that has kind of always been in a niche. It's something that people are not necessarily willing to talk about at cocktail parties. It's just hair loss is just not the main subject that people want to talk about. It's just something that's exciting. So it's usually, searching online, which leads to, who's got the best blog, who's got the best, search engine optimization with their website, who's got the most views on YouTube. David, has done a great job of, and we've worked together on this, and he's awesome. I mean, he's made it really entertaining. He's kind of educated people, and he's told me some stories where he's gotten in cabs in New York City, and he'll literally share a cab with someone, and he's going 50 blocks, and the guy will say, "Wait a second, now I know you're that guy on that hair YouTube thing." And that's,
I don't have that sort of recognition yet, although I'm trying to work on that.
But it's really cool. So it's kind of fun. It's kind of exciting. And then in regards to, of course, we all want to get paid for our time, I guess, and in regards to how that turns into money, I mean, there's always ways to monetize, whether it be, with a certain amount of subscribers on your YouTube channel or your views. A lot of this is organic stuff that you're doing because you're doing it on your own, so it really has a lot of value in YouTube's eyes, and creating the Facebook and the social marketing and media and all that stuff. I think it's great. I mean, I think you're doing a great job, and you and I, from day one kind of hit it off, and I'm excited that you're almost completed your journey, Lance.
Yeah.
But for my recommendation for people is to document everything. Make sure you shoot video. I really love how you shot video on your procedures, like day 1, day 2, day 3. That's really important because you can't get those days back. Yeah. David did the same thing. He did a great job of that. And then people, it's a different way. It's kind of the new age of marketing. Although I don't like that word in this industry. I don't like advertising and marketing because, of course, you have to get yourself out there. So the way that I've gotten myself out there is by treating people fair. I've always answered my phone, always answered my texts, always give people the worst case scenario. I'm very honest with people, as you are. And I think they appreciate that. And you're a great example, as is David DiMuzio, of what people can achieve. I don't think you're buying any buildings in New York City yet, are you?
No.
But soon. So if you guys out there want to be like Lance, more power to you.